Yo, what is good, YouTube? Gonna get into episode 2 of backtesting my model over 1 year, 2025. So let's just get right into it. We are on the second week here. Let me pull everything up if it would load. We are currently on January 13th. So, boom. All right. First things first, no news Monday. Let's see where we are at. See what we got going on. Pushing through all of this. Are these relative? Yeah, this is definitely going to be a great DOL. There's probably some sort of monthly low, a monthly gap or something. Random little weekly low here, and on the monthly chart, yes, this is a great draw. Monthly unmitigated. Now, looking at a daily chart, really heavy on the bearish side right now. I don't really expect too big of a retrace. We don't really have anywhere to retrace higher towards right now. So I'm just going to be looking for price to kind of just melt, and I honestly think we should go here on the week. So yeah, we'll mark up little spots up here though, just in case we do have something. We currently have this retrace here. SMT gets put in with this high. This gets confirmed, right? Yeah, it gets confirmed through this 30-minute inversion, or 15-minute inversion, I'd assume. Yeah, there's also an hourly that I would love to see get violated. All right. So we tag a 5-minute. In my opinion, I want to see the 15-minute get mitigated. I would just like to see that sweep, to be fair. Huge move here. Now, this move is doing what? This move is mitigating ES into that 15-minute. So we're going to mark this up right here. Leaving what? Leaving LR below. I would assume this is session. Yeah, this is a London low as well. So I think if we could get some sort of reaction from here, that'd be great. You have a 2-minute here. Okay. So we end up coming in that 15-minute. Now also got to keep in mind this. We have the 4-hour that is about to open in 5 minutes, which is going to be at your stop, which I don't love. I'm just not a big fan of that, to be fair. Although it is SMT'd, I'm just going to wait for now. I want to see how we react. Okay, so boom, 4-hour opens here. You have London highs on ES. I would actually look for longs at this moment. The only reason I'm changing my bias is what? It's because this wick, this hourly is respecting heavily. We are pretty low in the range. We open up a new 4-hour as well as ES trending towards our London highs right here. So I do think that's going to be the level of where we want to go. So if we can get some sort of comp from this 5-minute. We have a 2-minute here. I'm going to take this. This is a good setup. This looks nice. Yeah, this is solid. Just looking for a 1R here. Break even at the 4-hour. Yeah, I like this. Now, if we come down to here, we're most likely just going to sweep all this. So just going to put the stop at the 2-minute. Going to trust the 10 a.m. open low. So as you see, 10 a.m. opens here, opens lower, doing what? Mitigating into this 5-minute, which is sponsored by this hourly that ends up holding. Yeah, we'll take this. I do think it's against higher time frame bias, but we have a reason to appease this 4-hour, as well as ES having a reason to appease London highs right here. So that's going to be the first trade idea. 2-minute. Ooh, what the fuck? Yeah, a little 2-minute inversion. Okay, that's actually beautiful. Let's hope we get our 1-to-1. No. Oh my god. Wow, ES does not mitigate that London high. That's actually brutal. Okay, just I'm done for the day off that. That's really all this is going to come down to. I would have wanted ES to take London highs. It just the higher time frame so bearish. It makes sense, I guess, but oh no, there goes ES. There's London highs. Now I could see the shorts for sure. Yeah, that's actually a peak setup. Wait. Oh, this was actually valid to take too. I would have 100% took this 5-minute. I'm not gonna lie. As long as ES wasn't in the lower 5-minute, was it? Yeah, it was not. Okay. Obviously I'm not gonna take this, but this would have been the play. Close here. Break even once you hit the next 5-minute in the leg. Probably would I've held for full TP. It's late in the session. Probably would have just got out for 1-to-1. We'll see if full TP ends up hitting. Yeah, that's why you just get out when you can. Too late in the session on a no news Monday. So would have secured a 1-to-1 here. I did skip it. That's on my bad though. Wow, we did not end up taking all that. That's crazy. Okay. What is price doing? Price is trading in a huge daily gap with liquidity below. Now, I like this SMT a lot. I think this is a great spot to run towards and reject from, given the fact that it's in the middle of this range. It's a 4-hour gap. You still have that daily sponsorship. Now, if we could do what? We put in a double SMT here. Very, very interesting. Double SMT, internal and external, with our London highs. Okay. We open up a 30-minute unmitigated gap right here. I could see open using this little level here. Also CPI day. Oh, okay, wow. Yeah, this makes a lot of sense then. A little bit of liquidity generated. I'm more so looking for this low. I'm not going to take this trade. Now, the reason I'm not going to take this trade is because if we had the data high here still, I would be more open to taking it. This isn't bad. It's a SMT inside that 30-minute. You're giving a good reaction. I just really don't love this low down here. I really want to see shorts towards this data low. Brutal. This is definitely gonna work. Wow. This is gonna play. I already know this is gonna play. From here it's like this would be the idea if you could just have a decent close. It's just I can't put my stop at a 5-minute, especially when this is kind of what you're looking at here, but I do think extending your stop isn't a terrible, or extending your TP isn't a terrible idea here. I'm confident in this draw being that data low, but if we could get some sort of 1-minute pullback, that would be peak. I just want to see maybe 10 a.m. open and do something along these lines. Maybe edge this low, 10 a.m. open, pull into some sort of 5-minute in this range, and then just get a cont towards that data low, just for the RR reasons. Brutal. Please edge, please edge, please edge. Oh my god. Chat, please do exactly what I said. We have the 5-minute right here. We have it. We have it. Come on. Come on. Ooh. 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 Okay. Okay, or just fuck my bias. That's lit. Hell yeah. This is the exact same trade I took yesterday. Oh, this looks fucking peak. I'm taking this. I'm 100% taking this. This is the exact same setup I took yesterday. The second 5-minute in the leg holds. We have a mech leading up towards the data low. And this should be protected. Yeah, I'm taking this. 100% taking this. Now, the only issue here is what do you want to hold your TP for? I really do. I'm pretty fucking confident that we should go lower. It's just, are we going to get the delivery that I want here? That's all this is going to come down to. I would never hold 3R in the real market. So I'm going to actually just do runners. But this should be a safe break even, given that it's just the condition in the leg. If we're going to continue higher from here, we'll do what? We'll tag into this 5-minute and continue higher. If we're going to continue lower, we should dump right through the 5-minute. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So we're going to go break even there. I really like that close. Where's 1R? Oh, that's already 1R. Do I want to take profits here? We have a 5-minute opening at my stop. All right, 10:30's opening. We have 1.5R realized. I'm gonna scale about 75% just to secure 1R on this. Yeah. Okay. Stop loss is getting trailed aggressively here. This should continue to flush. Yeah. Bang. Holy shit. Holy shit, that was beautiful. That was a super aggressive trail, but that's just something I'm experimenting with lately. Shout out Reese. But yeah, super clean trade. Framework of this trade is what? Let's just go over it real quick. Higher time frame, you have a 4-hour SMT with this high, which is sponsored by our what? Our daily gap. Higher time frame is obviously bearish. CPI news data respects this hourly gap, printing huge rejection wicks into it with SMTs inside of that as well. As you see, SMT with this high right here. Now, market open pushes lower. We get a little fake run. This high should be protected. We reject from it, confirming that it's protected. We edge our data lows. 10 a.m. opens up, gives the exact scenario of an open high-low close that I want. I didn't even notice the 10:15 PO3. This is so fucking clean. Oh my god. We pull up into the 5-minute, hold this bearish 5-minute, create a mech towards this 5-minute, and flush all the way to data lows. This is actually so peak. Okay, next day. 8:30. Looking at the daily chart. Daily gap right here is also getting SMT. Now I'm still bearish, but I don't like how we're failing to reject from here. Like if we're gonna reject, it needs to be from here, 100%. We have this 4 hour. That's the absolute highest point. Like 8:30 red folder. We already moved crazy on the morning just from this 8:30 news. 300 fucking points, bro. Ugh, that's crazy work. I'm expecting this, obviously. Like, this should get mitigated, but yeah, so open mitigates that. We get a little, we get an instant trade here, but I'm not taking this. Too early, too high in the range, in my opinion. Yeah, rightfully fails. I would just rather not trade anywhere this high in the range. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'd rather wait for maybe an hourly to open. Now this is nice. This is not bad. I'll say that for sure. Given the fact that we've violated the 5-minute here, I would give this a shot, to be fair. I would give this a shot. I don't like this one. Now there is a lesson to learn in this though. This technically would be the better trade if you have the conviction for it, given the fact that you have these highs as a break even, these highs here. This is kind of longing a bit too high in the range, but I am expecting a continuation higher here. So stop loss is going to go right about here, right? That's not bad. I would just want to see price continue us higher from here. Break even, pretty simple. Really just want to see ES flush towards that hourly gap or that 4-hour gap. I need to just go 1% on every single trade. I'm not gonna lie. Fuck it. I don't have as much conviction on this. I'm not gonna lie. We'll see. We'll see. Beautiful break even. Okay. All right. So ES is hitting that 4-hour. There's a pretty decent chance we do reject from that, but I like my TP on NQ. No. Oh my god. This was a bad break even. Oh wow. This was a terrible break even. Okay. Fuck, bro. I gotta get better with these break evens, man. We had equal highs at a 4-hour. We had no threat to our stop loss. I 100% should not have broke even this. Fuck, I really don't like that. I hate that. I'm just gonna skip to the next. I'll watch the rest of the day. Fuck it. See what we do. I hate that I just went break even there. Why did I do that? Fucking completely brain dead decision by me there. I'm not gonna lie. That was pretty bad. If you're watching this, just know I should not have broke even there. That was a complete human error. That should not have been a break even spot, especially with the equal highs. So, wow. I'm actually kind of annoyed with myself. ES is violating this. Okay. This looks pretty healthy to get mitigated. Now, where would we possibly reject from? Now we have London highs. We're bullish, obviously. But what is price telling me? It's telling me we're printing a lot of low resistance up. Maybe open can run that and then we can get the short. That would be pretty nice. I would have liked this if this SMT this high. That would have been nice, to be fair, but it didn't. Okay, so there goes that low. Doing what? Actually mitigating this 4-hour low. Is NQ in anything? We have this. Okay, so that's going to confirm that. That 100% confirms that. We have a 15-minute opened here. PO3 would be beautiful into this. Okay. Oh my god. Does it get better than this? Okay, it didn't even close. Brother, I really like this. This is really, really nice. Fuck, I think it's just I love the targets. I don't like this. I don't like this wick. It's really weak looking. It works. Fucking hell. Equal highs left on ES. What would my RF look like on this trade? See, I don't even think I would have got 1R, to be honest. Even with the most aggressive stop, I wouldn't have got 1R. So that's fine. I mean, I just hated the weakness through this. Like, this is, if we had like this type of close, I would 100% took that. It just got really weak with that 2-minute. So I think that's a pretty valid fade day, in my opinion. Last day of the session, Friday, 8:30, red folder or orange folder. Boom. Data's took. We are ripping bullish. I did not expect this. I was pretty convicted of that low. Ripping higher. Devil's mark. Inbound. Definitely going to look at that. It's a potential level that we go towards. Jeez, man. Just rip 500 points overnight. It's calm. Oh my god, that's brutal. I don't even know what to do here. So we are going to open up this hourly in 20 minutes. Dude, surely not, right? I don't see this happening. I don't see us leaving this hourly right there. Come on. And we do. Oh my god. Pretty damn protected. We dug into the 15. ES has no rejection level. Hell yes, I'm taking this. Break even will be here at this 5 minute. We have that 5 minute to defend price. 100% looks good here. Now, why do I like this trade? First off, we're closing above this pretty strong. Higher time frame, I would say we're bullish. Just look at what we're doing. Look at how we're trading. We have draws to the left. That's what I really like. We have the SMT put in. We have the 5 minute DOL here as well. Now we might want to get a 5 minute pullback. We're gonna wait and see. I'm just gonna put my stop here. It's probably where I'm most comfortable with it at. I feel like that's protected. And we're just looking for a 1 hour really. Actually, no, I'm gonna rock the stop there. I really feel like this is gonna just chop if we do take that. So I wanted to see if I can get aggressive with it. All right, this is the trade idea. What do we get? We get the hourly wick. We push into that instant 5 minute inversion. ES having this draw basically confirmed, closing above this ITH's peak. No. Oh my God. Okay. Do I want to break even here? Equal highs right here. Still in a buy program on ES, higher time frame with this high here. In my opinion, I do think I just hold this. I think holding this is the play here. Do we close this? We do not. I'm going to break even here. We close the 15 minute. Could I see 11 a.m. screwing me over here? Could I see it? I don't see 11 a.m. going all the way back down to my stop loss if I'm correct. That's the thing with this. We've closed through the 15 minute. That's the key level in this range. I'm going to let this play. If it loses, it loses. I'm going to let it play. Yeah, break even here. I don't want to see this chop. I'm good off that. Beautiful. Banger, 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 banger. So this is what I should have done on the other trade. Stupid break even on this one. This honestly could have been a generational week. There's 2 trades that I missed the 5 minute short and then I missed the break even. That was a break even to a win, which was just completely my fault. But yeah, next day we are on Monday, January 20th. Is this a bank holiday? Yes, it is. But why is there a fucking data wick? That's crazy. I'm just gonna watch this day. Yeah, just gonna go to the next day here. So we'll be starting off on this Tuesday. Really good, undefeated week. Pretty much undefeated on the fucking month. We did take that 1L. So we are sitting at a what? Sitting at an 84% win rate. Solid. I like it. At a 1.5 R. Pretty damn good. Obviously starting off January hot, as hot as it gets, but the goal, very simple, is going to be that 60% return on the year. Well on pace with it right now. We're 2 weeks in and I'm up 7%. So we're on pace to go about whatever 26 times 7 is, fucking like 200 or something. But yeah, beautiful. All right, I'm gonna get this posted. That is episode 2. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.